So, on today's episode of Engineers Are Fucking Cunts Who Cannot Understand Normal Thinking, there's an acronym for you today. So in order to get the alternator out of this 2009 Kia Sedona, I've had to disconnect wiring for this box. I've had to pop off the diagnostic. I've had to unhook all kinds of manner of things not even related to the charging system to try and get clearance, only to find out that the reason I don't have enough fucking clearance to get this alternator out is because of that cunty prick right there, held in place with a bolt that you can see, but you can't access for shit with tools. That is the cunt causing this, causing that, to where you can't get it out. And why is that there? To hold a wiring harness in place with a dry rotted zip tie that's not holding the wiring harness in place anymore. So it's coming out. The customer wants to sell this car anyways.